The police has unearthed the biggest fake currency racket till date. We understand the fake currency racket is to the tune of 10 crore rupees, and fake foreign currency notes of various countries have been recovered. The STF, the Special Task Force, has stumbled upon multiple dices used by the RBI for printing numbers on currency notes, shreds of soiled notes packed off in gunny bags by the RBI. The Kolkata police, of course, has also sought the help of the RBI and other investigative agencies like the RANW, NIA and the Intelligence Bureau. Saurav Sanyal joins us for more on this. Saurav, it seems it's the biggest foreign fake currency ratio till date.
Well, that's right. This is, in fact, the first of its kind foreign currency manufacturing unit that has actually been recovered, and that's in the heart of Kolkata, which has raised serious suspicion as to what really the purpose was. And if you look at the amount which has been recovered, fake currency, Indian currency to the tune, face value of 10 crore rupees is possibly the biggest haul in recent times. And the main accused is already being taken into custody by the Kolkata police, the Special Task Force of Kolkata Police. And so clearly this has once again brought this entire angle, whether what this money was meant for, why the fake currency was being printed, is there a terror angle to it? And today, as we speak, I can share with you is that a team from RBI is already at the police headquarters here in Kolkata at Lal Bazar, and they are, in fact, in a meeting, closed-door meeting with the Special Task Force. They unearthed this huge racket.
Saurav, we also understand this is really worrying that they've got loaded dices, the kinds that the RBI uses really, and that it seems it's an advanced stage of this fake money racket. If they have the dices, they can be printing notes.
Well, that's right. In fact, that is what I was trying to tell you, that, that fake currency notes which have actually been recovered by the Special Task Force as far as Indian...
We seem to have lost Saurav Sanyal there. We'll try and get back to him in just a moment. But as you can see very clearly on your screens, the biggest fake currency note racket has been busted by the Kolkata police, the Special Task Force of the Kolkata police, stumbling upon a major haul there. RSN Singh joins us on the phone line right now. In the heart of Kolkata, Mr. Singh, there's a fake foreign currency racket there. They have loaded dice as well, and they, of course, perhaps even have access to the RBI. This is a huge haul.
Yes, last time also you ran this program and there was a suggestion that the JMB was also indulging in circulation of fake currency. And the ISI has been, adopting this route because at one point of time you can, you cover several states because the Bangladesh border impacts almost 5 to 6 states in that area. So it's more convenient, to circulate this from that region than the northern region.
Right, Mr. Singh, many thanks for joining us. There is